Hey y'all, back in 2018, I wrote a LinkedIn article called New to Lowering Down Your Medigap Plan Premium, and it's very straightforward information on the most popular Medigap letter plans in the US, and there was millions of Medicare supplement, or also known as Medigap insurance policies sold. I just happened to give you guys a couple of research images that I do on my own. This happens to be for 2014. The number of Medigap insurance policies that were sold, it numbers in the millions and millions. And then also the medical underwriting process that most folks have to go through after their open enrollment or their initial open enrollment. When they transition onto Medicare, you would have to go through medical underwriting, and that's the risk-free process if you are eligible to health qualify into lowering down your Medicare supplement plan premium. I give you a case study as well on lowering down your Medigap premium, and these are dated 18 years ago, but the process is still the same. And I want to make sure that you guys out there know that even in 2022, the rates continue to increase and climb, like for Medicare supplement plans that were popular back then, like Plan F, as well as Plan G is seeing a rate ripple effect with the guaranteed issued folks, or that are in guaranteed issued situations, like moving out of a service area for Medicare Advantage, or losing coverage to no fault of their own on Medicare Advantage or a Medicare supplement. And so if you're in a Medicare supplement plan that happens to be enforced in the year 2010 or after, those are known as modernized Medicare supplement plans, Medigap insurance policies. So if you see a rate adjustment or rate adjustment letter in the mail for your specific carrier, this is just one carrier, but I want to let y'all know they don't necessarily tell y'all this 90 days in advance like we get. We get it very, very early for a lot of companies. But if you do happen to get one, I show you the process of how to lower it down with this article. So if you need more information, I'll leave the link, as well as look in your Medigap, choosing a Medigap policy booklet or Medicare New Handbook. It's on the choosing a Medigap policy. If you're brand new to Medicare, this is something really good for you if you're going the traditional Medicare path, because you want to have coverage throughout the US and have comprehensive coverage with original Medicare as your primary and the Medicare supplement as your secondary. This is something for you to have. That way you know your rights and options as a policyholder for Medigap insurance. And so another article from the Centers for another resource publication from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services is the Medicare New Handbook. If you're brand new to Medicare, you're transitioning off your group health insurance, or you're getting off an ACA plan and you're transitioning into Medicare, please don't hesitate to open up to page 5 and 6. It's very critical that you understand your two main paths, not just from a cost basis or a what can be the best choice for me now. Medicare is very much a long-term play, and your last health insurance as a U.S. citizen or U.S. retiree in your golden years. So make sure you understand exactly the type of coverage you have, because there's a lot of misconceptions out there, and can be some costly Medicare mistakes as well. And so there are rules with Medicare enrollment and designation periods, and when you can actually shop for different parts of Medicare, or the two different paths. So before we leave here, I want to let you guys know that, it's very, very good to not only look into the information, as a consumer from CMS, but also very good to actually get some perspective on your path. So if you have, a podcast you can listen to on how to shop for a Medigap plan, that's a really good thing. I found this online. It's very easy. Here at Medicare Savings, we're actually a free resource for U.S. retirees. So if you need some help along the way, this is what we've been doing since 2016. We just ask a few quick questions, and we can easily see if you can get a rate reduction or be in a good position to apply to qualify for a rate reduction. We're a full service Medicare insurance brokerage out of Charleston, South Carolina. And we will never call you like those call centers. We only have folks that are interested in the information service that we provide here out of Charleston, South Carolina. We have many trusted Medicare Savings partners throughout the U.S., as well as we're online visibly on all the search engines and everything. So if you have more questions, or if you like to know more updates, I do a YouTube channel. It's under Michael C. Fishbach. It's fairly new, and I keep you updated on all my nerdy research on Medicare. But I want to give you guys this information and let y'all know that there's someone out here trying to advocate for y'all, and there's a number of good folks on YouTube that are showing some very good information as Medicare beneficiaries changes, Medicare changes throughout the year, each and every year. We try to keep you up to date. I'm just one of them, and I hope to be of service to you or your family members, or even your former employer. We're able to help service you on your Medicare journey from the beginning to end, and hopefully save some of your retirement dollars. So don't be stuck in a plan that is literally going up 15%, 20%, 28%. We've seen 33% rate increases. Don't just take the rate increases, because it is literally a right and option for you as a Medicare beneficiary to lower down your Medicare or your Medigap plan premium rates as you see them increase over time. So don't wait 5, 10, 15 years in some instances where we get these calls and it's just too late because your health condition just doesn't allow for you to lower down your Medigap plan premium. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us or contact us at medicaresavings.us or call our toll-free hotline. Take care. God bless. Thank you so much for tuning in.